So we have a special unboxing today, and here it is, the Apple Watch Series 11, and this is the Space Jet Black 46 millimeter one. So let's let's see, pull this out. Slide it out. Here's the watch band. And here's the watch itself. Let's pull these tabs right here. That's how it looks. Nice. Nothing here. Information. Charging watch charger. Looking nice as ever. And here is the watch itself. So let's tear it out, shall we? Ooh la la, I like the color. Nice. I have a special case for this, like bumper case I have. So this is 46 mil, so always be prepared. Oh, this color makes it so nice. Let's turn it on, shall we? Oh, that's how you turn it on. There you go. So, I bought this watch because I just wanted the watch, and I'm gonna give my Series 10, which is still good, to my mom. A little gift, I'll like to say. And yeah, that's basically all. If you like this video and unboxing, you can follow and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.